5 signs a woman has been mentally abused. First sign, she always apologizes even when she hasn't done anything wrong. That's because she was always blamed, even when it wasn't her fault. Second sign, she never believes she is beautiful, no matter how often she is told. This is due to traumatic experiences, such as criticism in childhood or in marriage, or an unfaithful partner. Third sign, she breaks down in small fights. The accumulation of toxic arguments has weakened and traumatized her, making her seek escape through these breakdowns. Fourth sign, she needs a lot of reassurance. Emotional neglect has caused her to fear loss. Therefore, she prioritizes emotional security, which she could not get from a previous partner. Fifth sign, she never asks for help and it's hard for her to do. That's because she is used to doing everything alone, as there was never anyone she could rely on. If you agree with this message, type a heart in the comments. God bless.